Want to make a podcast? Spotify's got a platform that lets you make one super easily, then distribute it everywhere and even earn money, all in one place for free. It's called Spotify for Podcasters, and here's how it works. Spotify for Podcasters lets you record and edit podcasts right from your phone or computer, so no matter what your setup is like, you can start creating today. Then you can distribute your podcast to Spotify and everywhere else podcasts are heard. Video podcasts are also available on Spotify. With Spotify for Podcasters, you can earn money in a variety of ways, including ads and podcast subscriptions. And best of all, it's totally free with no catch. Ever since I discovered Spotify for Podcasters, it's so easy for me to create these meditations so you can listen to them. I highly recommend you give it a try. Download the Spotify for Podcasters app or go to www.spotify.com/podcasters to get started. Are you looking to get the most peaceful, comfortable, restful sleep? Download the Sleep with Yogi Bryan app right now at your app store. I know you'll love it. Welcome to this quick 2-minute meditation to find your breath and to relax. So find a place where you can be still. You can do this seated or lying down, but find a place where you can relax. And once you do, softly, gently close your eyes. And as your eyes close, just bring your awareness and attention to your breathing. Just notice your breath and observe your breath. Noticing your inhale and your exhale. Just noticing your breath. And in just a moment, start to count your breathing. With your mouth closed, breathe in through your nose a 4 count, and breathe out your nose a 4 count. Let's start. Mouth closed, breathe in through your nose 1, 2, 3, 4, and out your nose 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, and out 1, 2, 3, 4. Continuing to breathe 4 in and 4 out. Now take a nice deep inhale through your nose. And on the exhale, open your mouth, sigh it out, let all your stress go. Take this relaxation with you through the rest of your day. Have a great day.